Hello, and thank you for tuning into our series, Restoration of a Vintage Singer Sewing Machine Model 15. This is the 5th video in a 10-part series entitled, The Bobbin Assembly. In this video we will disassemble the bobbin assembly, cleaning and servicing each individual part. We'll pay special attention to the details of reassembling. Here's a list of the restoration videos. Assessing and identification. Clean and polishing the body. The thread tensioner. The thread take-up lever and light. The bobbin assembly. The bobbin winder. The feed dogs, needle guide and the throat cover. Checking out the motor for bad wiring. Examining the wiring in the cabinet and the foot control. Demonstration, a video to show off our like-new singer. First we'll remove the assembly. If the screws are too tight, loosen them with a ratchet and flat-tip screwdriver. The part names on the right are the official names, from the Singer Parts book. The race back. The race spring. The position plate. The shuttle driver body race, known as the shuttle race. Remove the race back. The spring. The bobbin retainer. The hook will be free and ready to remove. Time to clean the parts. If you've been watching the series, this will be familiar. Use the 3-step process. 1. Clean everything with alcohol. 2. Rub and polish with automotive rubbing compound, fine to medium grit. 3. Polish the smooth surfaces with a final finish automotive polish. A wire brush is ideal to clean the threads. Use wet or dry sandpaper, 1000 grit, to freshen up the tops of the screws. Continue cleaning and polishing with rubbing compound. Be sure to clean inside the hook, removing all the lint that has collected over the years. Use wet or dry sandpaper, 1000 grit, to create a clean and smooth surface for the bobbin case. I like to wash the hook after cleaning with WD-40. Be sure to wipe it dry. Another check of the case retention groove is not a bad idea. Pay special attention to the bobbin case pin in the center. See the groove? This is where the case locks to the hook. Make sure the groove is free of any lint or built-up debris. Have you ever noticed the bobbin case won't lock in like it should? This is most likely the answer. It can't snap and lock because there is trash in the groove. Continue to clean and polish. Okay, we can reassemble. With the base laying flat, insert the hook. Next, the race back. The Singer identification numbers are facing out. Also, the pointed ends are at the top. The bevels on points are facing out. Place the retainer on top and tighten the thumb screw. The little ears on both sides will hold the race back in the proper position. Replace the bobbin case retainer. Screws on both sides hold it in place. Back to the machine. Spray WD-40 on all surfaces. Use wet or dry sandpaper, 1000 grit, to clean and freshen up the surfaces. Wipe off all remaining oil and debris. Use a screwdriver to get in the hard-to-reach places. We are ready to install the assembly. Turn the shaft to raise the needle bar to the top. Place the assembly on the shuttle driver. Might take a little of movement to get the assembly to clear the driver. Place the screws on both sides. Place the bobbin case in the hook. Turn the shaft to make sure it is free and the hook moves correctly. We have now completed the bobbin assembly. We'll check the timing in video number 7 when we look at the needle guide and the feed dogs. This has been number 5 in the video series Restoring a Model 15. We hope that you've enjoyed, and it has given you some ideas about restoring an old Singer. We're about halfway through our project. At the posting time of this video we have 5 additional videos in production. In our next video, number 6, entitled The Bobbin Winder, we will disassemble, clean and service and reassemble the bobbin winder, with attention to detail, checking all parts for smooth and accurate movement. We'll also recondition the stitch control assembly, and the thread guide for the winder. Thanks for watching. To be the first to see the newest videos, make sure you subscribe, click the like button, and hit the bell.